How you doing? Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you for a quick walkthrough on this 2024 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage. Starting at the back, this boat's equipped with the Mercury V8 300s. Of course, joystick piloting. It incorporates skyhook as well as autopilot. In the aft here, you'll notice you've got a nice big live well. You've got a great seat here. This is great for dual purpose. If you are fishing, use it as a leaning post, and then it very easily folds out. You've got a really nice fold-away helm seat here. You'll notice the boat has a dive door port side. It's great for, you do have a ladder, so if you are entertaining, doing water sports, but it's also great for getting in and out at the dock. This boat has two fish boxes, both port and starboard, which is great. Both have macerators, and they are insulated, so you can use them as coolers as well. Directly under me is going to be your pump room. That's going to have all of your pumps. That's going to have all your batteries. Everything's centrally located, so really easy for servicing or if you do have an issue. You'll notice above head, we've got plenty of rocket launchers on the top of the hardtop, as well as on the side, as well as rod holders back here. So the boat is definitely a boat that can be fished as well as cruised. As you come in, you'll notice on our starboard side, we've got a seating area, storage underneath here. On the port side, you've got a really nice double wide seat here. And this seat really works great if you want to sit here, if you want to sit like this lounging, or if you want to go all the way down. Now you've got a nice big bed there. You can prop this up. So now you can sit facing forward. So really great seat here, really versatile. And of course, underneath this seat is going to be all of your storage, dock lines, fenders. Port side is going to be your head area. And in your head here, we do have our enclosure stored in there, but you can see it's got a vacuum flush toilet and of course a freshwater sink down inside of the head. Starboard side, here you do have a small prep station, so you've got a freshwater sink, dual purpose as a cutting board. And then here at the helm, you've got a adjustable helm seat, joystick control, digital throttles, and then this boat's got the acrylic dash with the single SIMRAD screen, SIMRAD VHF radio, and of course all your rocker switches, everything's labeled. As you come forward, like most boats, you do have your door here, and then you've got your window that shuts, so that way there you can be enclosed. This boat does have the optional enclosure. You can see it zips here and comes to the top of the windshield frame. Underneath the helm, you've got an abundance of storage underneath the helm, and it's nice. You can get to it from there, or you can actually get to it from up here by lifting this seat up, and that allows you to get in there a lot easier. Up here on the bow of the 280, you'll notice you've got plenty of room up here, really great for 3 adults. In the forward area, you do have a concealed anchor locker. So you've got your anchor locker, you do have a remote up here, and then you also have a boarding ladder up here, which is great for if you bow the boat up on the beach. So again, this is the new 2024 28 Vantage here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please give me a call at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.